Welcome to Mindset Money, where we demystify the world of finance, making it accessible for everyone. Today, we're delving into the captivating universe of stock market investing, and I'm here to guide you through the process. Imagine the stock market as a vibrant marketplace, a dynamic space where companies offer ownership shares to the public. These shares, often called stocks, represent your stake in those companies, much like owning a piece of your favorite store or the next tech giant. Before we dive deeper into the exciting world of stocks, it's wise to establish a financial safety net. Think of it as an emergency fund, shielding you from unexpected expenses that might otherwise force you to sell your stocks hastily. And for our beginners, we recommend user-friendly platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash. These make investing straightforward, especially if you're starting with smaller amounts. Now, when it comes to choosing investments, don't feel overwhelmed by the prospect of picking individual stocks. Consider starting with index funds. Picture them as diverse stock packages, bundling a range of stocks into one investment. Vanguard is an excellent platform offering these diversified options. However, if individual stocks appeal to you, begin with what you know. Think of reputable companies like Apple, AAPL, Amazon, AMZN, or Alphabet, Google. Familiarity can be your guiding light as you step into the world of investing. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Envision it as constructing a financial house. Each investment is a brick, and it takes time for your financial fortress to become substantial. Embrace this mindset, particularly during market downturns. These are akin to passing storms, shaking things up temporarily, but leaving your house, your investments, standing strong in the long run. Now, let's get practical. Consistency is key in your investing journey. Make regular contributions, even if they're modest. I believe the best way to invest is to set up automatic recurring investments into the index fund of your choice. Think of it like planting seeds regularly. Over time, they grow into strong, resilient plants. Educate yourself continuously. The internet is a vast resource, akin to a treasure trove of knowledge. Learn the basics to investing, as this will set up a great base for continuing education. Stay informed by checking in weekly on market news. Picture it as tending to your garden, ensuring everything is flourishing. Reinvest your dividends. Consider it as the companies sharing their profits with you. Instead of cashing out, let those profits work for you by reinvesting in more stocks. It's a bit like compounding interest, where your money earns money on itself. Investing is not reserved for those with deep pockets. It's a journey that starts small, stays consistent, and grows over time. Consider it like embarking on an adventure, and remember, your investments will grow with you. If you ever feel uncertain, a financial advisor can be your guide. Here at Mindset Money, we're not just sharing knowledge, we're your companions on this financial journey. To continue learning with Mindset Money, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Happy investing, everyone!